People might get creeped out thinking you're filming them.
What?
People might think you're filming them. We should go find the turtles. Feels good in the shade. There's not a record button.
Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right. All right. So hang on. Let me. All right. So, got a 4K camcorder here, and even though it can only shoot in 30 frames a second, I just wanted to do a little demo clip. See how it turns out. I know that this zoom feature. Whoa! It's very touchy. It is very, very touchy.
See that night shot button?
Yeah.
That's cool.
It has an infrared light on it that, let's pan over here and see if I can get some of these colors. You are in 4K, dear.
Do I look as good as in person? Just kidding.
Okay, well, in that case,
That does
signing
look
off.
okay.
Oh, then they're going to reek.
So you deal with it for a day when you wear them.
Why? But you don't have to deal with that. You
Ah,
can wear
recording.
socks.
You should move that to man.
Yeah, this man is awful. Oh,
Socks
shit.
are a much better look.
Oh, here they come downstairs now. Oh, Nanny.